Accidental discoveries have played a significant role in shaping human history and scientific progress. Many groundbreaking inventions, innovations, and scientific breakthroughs have occurred by chance, often when individuals stumbled upon unexpected results while working on entirely different projects. Here are some notable accidental discoveries. Penicillin. Scottish biologist Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered penicillin in 1928 when he observed that a mold called Penicillium notatum had contaminated one of his bacterial culture plates. He noticed that the mold prevented the growth of bacteria around it, leading to the development of the first antibiotic, penicillin. X-rays. German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen made an accidental discovery in 1895 when he noticed a fluorescent screen in his lab began to glow while he was experimenting with cathode rays. He realized that some unknown rays were passing through solid objects, leading to the discovery of X-rays. Microwave oven. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon Corporation, accidentally discovered the microwave oven. While working with a magnetron, a vacuum tube used in radar systems, he noticed that a candy bar in his pocket melted when exposed to the microwaves produced by the magnetron. Viagra. Originally developed as a medication to treat cardiovascular conditions, sildenafil, commonly known as Viagra, was discovered accidentally by researchers at Pfizer in the 1990s. The drug showed little success in treating heart conditions but had an unexpected side effect: it helped men with erectile dysfunction. Teflon. Chemist Roy Plunkett discovered Teflon in 1938 while working on a new refrigerant. After freezing and compressing a gas sample, he found a solid, waxy material with excellent non-stick properties, which eventually became known as Teflon. Velcro. Swiss engineer George de Mestral noticed burrs sticking to his dog's fur during a walk in the countryside. Intrigued, he studied the burrs under a microscope and realized they had small hooks that attached to loops in fabrics. This observation led to the invention of Velcro, a widely used fastening material. Post-it notes. Spencer Silver, a scientist at 3M, was attempting to create a strong adhesive but accidentally ended up creating a weak, pressure-sensitive adhesive. Years later, his colleague, Art Fry, found a practical use for the weak adhesive when he used it to stick paper markers in his hymn book, leading to the creation of post-it notes. Vulcanized rubber. Charles Goodyear accidentally discovered the process of vulcanization in the 19th century while experimenting with rubber and sulfur on a hot stove. This process made rubber much more durable and revolutionized industries like transportation and manufacturing. Radioactivity. French physicist Henri Becquerel stumbled upon the phenomenon of radioactivity in 1896. While investigating the newly discovered X-rays, he accidentally left a uranium-containing compound in a drawer near a photographic plate. When he developed the plate later, he found that it had been exposed, even though it had not been directly exposed to sunlight. This led to the discovery of natural radioactivity, which eventually led to the development of nuclear physics and a deeper understanding of atomic structure. These accidental discoveries highlight the serendipitous nature of scientific exploration and innovation. Sometimes, the most remarkable advancements come from unexpected observations and the willingness to explore beyond the intended goal.